Most of our players, when they came here, they probably thought that they were fit enough, but maybe they thought that being fit was just, surviving a 45 minutes, 50 minutes workout in the gym. But obviously that's not the kind of fitness you have to play a football game.
En France, j'avais 3 entraînements par semaine, voire 4. Tandis qu'ici, je m'entraîne tous les jours et 2 à 3 fois par jour. C'est vrai que c'est plus intensif et c'est plus dur, je dirais, mais c'est très varié.
Preparation is key, especially for these players. They have to be on their top condition, top performance every single time they cross that line.
2 days before a game and the day before a game, you'd have 2 fistful size portions of carbohydrates with 1 fistful size portion of protein. Day of a game, you'd have like a pre-match breakfast, which is 1 fistful portion of carbohydrates. So going into a game, it's important that you get that high carb loading, so it maintains that slower release throughout the day, and as well protein for protein synthesis and recovery of muscle.
We try to make sure that we prepare right for the game, but we also look to make sure that we recover after the game properly by doing certain work.
Recovery after a game is one of the most important aspects within maintaining injury-free and maintaining performance throughout a season. You need to be thinking about that next game as soon as that final whistle goes. Doing the adequate cool down, making sure we're getting out the waste products from the muscles.
After our highest intensity day, we'll get them in the recovery suite, so they'll do a lot of hydrotherapy where it'll be contrast, so we'll go cold baths into warm, into cold, into warm, then we'll foam roll and stretch, emphasising the recovery, speeding up the blood flow into the tissue and helping muscle repair. By doing that, we allow the speedy recovery so we can get back into training 2 days later.
The recovery process becomes even more important after pre-season, and you ensure that they're in their freshest state. It's about preparing these players to go into a professional environment, and they need to know that every day is hard work. Every day they need to be on top form. Yeah, it is an intense environment, but these players need to be able to cope under pressure, and that's what the professional environment is all about.